Hey, fellow mathers, before we get into this episode, we want to share with you how you can get access to free content, professional learning that will keep your students engaged and doing the math that matters. Get ready to go to this link, mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge.
That's right. Registration is open for the free Math is Figureoutable Challenge that's starting May 15th and runs to the 17th at 7 p.m. Central. We're going to have 3 nights jam-packed with learning and routines that you can take straight to your classroom.
In these challenges, we have a great time. We do some math, talk about classroom experiences, give away super cool bonuses and prizes. You won't just walk away with routines that are naturally engaging and encourage your students to think mathematically. You'll also have a chance to win over $6,000 worth in prizes, including a few virtual PD sessions for your school. I'll be joined by my wonderful co-host Kim and special guest Jenna Labe.
You can register at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge for a fantastic learning experience. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Now on to the show.
Hey, fellow mathematicians, welcome to the podcast where math is figureoutable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this is a Math Strat Chat episode.
What's Math Strat Chat? Every Wednesday evening, Pam throws out a problem on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. People from around the world chat about the strategies they use, and we love to see everyone's thinking.
We're just changing things up a little bit, so we decided we'd pop in and say what the other one usually says, just to make it more fun, because that's more fun. And hey, this Wednesday, our math problem was, let me remind myself, 121 subtract 77. How would you solve that particular problem? Pause the podcast, solve it any way you want. The problem is 121 minus 77. Solve it and then come back to hear how we solved it. And go.
You want to go first or you want me to?
I'm going to go first.
Okay.
So last couple of Math Strat Chat problems, we've been playing a little bit with this idea of factor first before you do something else.
Yeah.
And when I see 121 and 77, I just 11s are like flinging in my face. So 121 is 11 11s and 77 is 7 11s. So it's equivalent to 11 somethings minus 7 somethings. And that would be 4 of those things or 4 11s. So 4 11s, 4 times 11 is 44. Bam.
Yeah. I didn't actually think about that one for this one. Huh. Which might mean that I still need to force myself to look for it. I thought about the distance between 77 and 121.
Hey, do you think it's possible? I'm going to let you do that distance thing in a second. Yeah. Do you think it's possible that you didn't because maybe 121 doesn't pop for you as 11s?
No, I do know that it's 11 11s. I just, it's so interesting because I think sometimes so many strategies like jump in my head that I don't know.
Just pick the one that flows the easiest. Yeah, sure.
I do, but I need to work on letting that one come to the forefront more often, I think.
Well, and what we're trying to promote is to be dense, right? Have lots of connections. And then once you own them, then choose. But when you recognize one doesn't come to the forefront very often, you could kind of like, hey, maybe I'll look for that. I'll look for opportunities to use it. Okay, so what, you were going to find the distance. How are we going to do that?
Well, 77 and 23 is just really nice. And so I went from 77, add 23 is 100. And then I just have 21 more to get to 121. So then I added 23 and 21 to get the same 44.
Cool. I like it. All right, y'all, we can't wait to see your math strategy. I wonder if your strategy was like one of ours or something entirely different. Yeah. Represent your thinking, take a pic of your work or screenshot your phone and tell the world on social media. And while you're there, check out what other people did. We all love it when you comment on other people's thinking. It's totally fun.
Yeah. Tag Pam on Twitter at PW Harris or on Instagram, Pam Harris_math, and on Facebook, Pam Harris Author Mathematics Education. And make sure you use the hashtag MathStratChat.
And pop back here for the next Math Strat Chat problem that we'll post Wednesdays around 7 p.m. And then you can hear how we are thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figureoutable movement. Let's keep spreading the word that math is figureoutable. Thank you for listening and making math more figureoutable.
To learn even more, make sure you register for our free challenge at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. You are not going to want to miss the evenings of May 15th through 17th, starting at 7 p.m. Central.
Math teaching, go register now. That's mathisforgettable.com/challenge. Join us to make math more and more figure outable. And if you can't join live, register and we'll send you access to the recordings. We'll see you there.